Hi everyone, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you today, Dava?
I'm fine, thank you.
Fine, okay. How about Nadia? How are you today? Fine, okay. Hello, Aida. How are you today? Is that good? Well, do you have any question about the topic that we discussed yesterday? No?
No.
Well, now we just wait for your friends first, then we can start our class for today.
Hello, Miss.
Hello. How are you today?
I'm fine, Miss.
Okay, good. How about Zahra? How are you today, Zahra?
Assalamualaikum, Miss.
Waalaikumsalam. How are you today, Karisa?
I'm fine.
Fine. Okay. How about Zahra?
I'm good.
Good. Okay. So today, oh wait, where is Janu and Vincent? You don't know? Okay, well, before we start our class for today, let's pray together. Pray, pray. Pray, begin. Finish? Okay. Before we continue our class, let's take a preview about our topic yesterday. What we learned yesterday? Okay. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? I share.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Miss, I cannot see the screen.
Yeah, why?
I cannot see the screen.
Yeah, I share the whiteboard. Now, can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Hello, Janu. How are you today? Okay, well, what our topic yesterday is about and much. Many is for, do you still remember?
Yes, I still remember.
Okay, many is for what? We use many for things that we can count. For things that we can count. In bahasa, okay. Oh, Zahra can see the screen. How about now? Can you see it?
I can see now.
Yeah, there is no whiteboard on your screen.
No, Miss.
No? Well, how about another? Can you see the screen? Carissa, can you see the screen?
No, I cannot see the screen.
Yeah? Wait, I will stop the share screen first. Now, can you see the whiteboard? Can you see the screen, the whiteboard?
Yes.
Okay, let's continue. Many is for something that we can count. Example, what? For many. For example, I have many games. What else? Or she has many toys. Do you know another example? Well, how about much? If many is for something that we can count, how about much? When we use much for something that we cannot count. Okay. For example, can you make an example about much? What things that we can count? Count uncountable.
Selama itu mana datang disediain. Dengerin.
Well, for example, much. What things is uncountable? Like water. Water is countable or uncountable?
Artinya
Water is countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
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 So we use much. For example, he has much water. What else? Uncountable. Uncountable. Anything uncountable? Do you know? Like yesterday? I don't have much milk. Milk is uncountable, right? Is that true?
Yes.
Yes. Milk is uncountable, so we use much. Well, do you have any question about our lesson? This is our topic yesterday.
No.
No? Okay. Well, I will continue our lessons for today. We have some exercise. Let's take a look. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Let's see. Exercise 4.
Ditulis gamit.
Yeah, if you want to write it, you can write it on your book.
Miss, today Janu is sick.
Yeah, Carissa?
Today Janu is sick.
Yeah, I see.
Get well soon, Janu.
Yeah, get well soon, Janu. And now let's take a look. Write the things, words, much or many in the question. Okay. Here. Chocolate is countable or uncountable? You can turn on your audio so you can give your answer. So chocolate is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable.
Countable or uncountable? Chocolate.
Uncountable.
Uncountable. So we use much. Okay, I'll write it again here. Much is for uncountable and many is for countable. A lot of is for uncountable and countable. Then we use much. We use much to we can use much to negative sentence or question. Okay, let's take a look to number 2. Computers. Computers. There is s in the end of the words, so it means that the computers is countable or uncountable. Uncountable or countable?
Uncountable.
Countable. If countable, we use much or many. Okay, we use many for countable. You can see, you can read at this point. And next, number 3. How homework does your English teacher give? What about it? Homework is countable or uncountable? Homework is countable or uncountable? Okay, who knows the answer? Dafa? Zahra, maybe? Homework is countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Okay, uncountable. So we use much or many?
Much.
Much. Well, great. It's correct. And next to number 4. How of your friends live near you? Your friends. This is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Okay, countable. So we use
Many.
or me. Okay, many. Do you have any question about this kind of?
Where is Janu goes?
Yeah, Carissa?
Where is Janu goes? Only the wall.
Yeah, because Janu is sick, so Janu listen our class. He's still in our.
Janu is lie down in his bed.
Yeah, that's okay. Carissa, do you have any question?
No.
No? Okay. Let's continue to number 5. Let's take a look. How computer games do you have? Okay, computer games. Games is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. So what we use, Dafa?
Many.
Many. Okay. Next, how time do you have to play with your friends? Time is countable or uncountable?
Countable. Countable. Uncountable.
uncountable.
So it's much.
So we use much, right? Much. Because time is uncountable. Well, let's take a look to the last number in this page. How? Okay, money. Money is countable or uncountable? Money.
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
Countable.
How much money? How many money? How much
Okay.
money?
We say, how much
How-
money do your parents give you every week? We don't say, how many money, right? So the correct answer is, how much money do your parents give you every week? Okay, is there any question about these lessons, this exercise? No? Well, let's continue. If you have any question, you can ask me.
Yang ini ditulis dah, Miss.
Yeah, if you want to write it, you can write it. This one. Choose the correct sentence. Read the sentence and underline the correct one. Do you get the point? Do you understand the question?
Miss, can I drink?
Okay, continue.
Beri garis bawah. Beri garis bawah.
Okay, let's see here. Read the sentence and underline the correct one. I don't have much time. Is that true? I don't have many time. So time is countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
So we don't use many, right? Because this is uncountable. So what we use? Much or some? Time. I don't
Much.
have much. Okay. So the correct one is this is the correct sentence. I don't have much time. How about number 2? Which one is the correct sentence here? Can you guess your answer? Computer games is countable or uncountable? Games.
Game.
Countable.
Countable.
So which one is the correct? Much, many, or a lot of?
Many.
Many. Okay, well, we use many. Why not a lot of? Because a lot of is just for positive sentence. Okay, a lot of is just for positive sentence, and this is a negative sentence. So we don't use a lot of in this sentence. Let's take a look to the number 3, second to the next number. Which one is the correct sentence? Can you guess it? Okay, homework. Homework is countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. So we use most or many or much? Uncountable. What we use for uncountable? Much?
Much.
Much. Okay.
Ni
Many is for countable. For uncountable, we use what?
Countable.
Yeah, homework is uncountable. So we use much or many?
Much.
Much. Okay. Our teacher doesn't give us much homework. This is the correct answer. Okay, can you find the correct sentence to the number 4? Which one is the correct answer here? 1, 2, or 3? Can you guess it? Number 4. What is the answer? Well, how much TV programs do you watch? Okay, this is TV programs is countable or uncountable? If we have S in the end of the word, so the fix is count. If we have S in the end of the word, so the things or the stuffs is countable, right? So which one is the correct answer? How much or how many or how more? This is countable. Well, who can guess it? Nadia, what's your answer? If this is countable, so what we use? Much or many? Much?
much.
Okay. So how much TV programs do you watch? This is the correct answer. Much, because no, sorry. This is countable. So what we use? Countable. Much is for uncountable, right? So for countable, we use what?
Many.
Many. Okay. How many? Well, it can be. How many TV programs do you watch? Okay, the correct answer is the second sentence. Well, there is the last number. Chocolate bar is countable or uncountable? Chocolate.
Uncountable.
Uncountable. So what we use? Some. No, money. I think the subject here is money, not chocolate. Money is countable or uncountable? Money. Okay, money is uncountable. So what we use for uncountable? Much or many or some? Can you find it? Which one is the correct? Many or much? Money is uncountable. So what we use? Hello, good afternoon, Vincent. Okay. Money is uncountable, so we use many or much. Okay. Much. How much money does chocolate bar cost? Okay. I want to ask you why we use much here. Why we use much?
Because chocolate is uncountable.
Yeah. And then money is countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Uncountable. Because money is uncountable. So we use much here. And then how about this one? Computer games. I don't have much time. Because time is uncountable. So we use much here. Do you have any question about this part? About exercise 5?
No.
No? Do you want to write it?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me if you're finished.
Dapat finish, Miss.
Okay. How about the other? Finish? Okay. Let's continue. Well, exercise 6. Find a mistake. Find a mistake, underline it, and write the correct sentence.
Ditulis gamit sini.
Okay, you can write it on your book. Let's find it together. There are much toys in my bedroom. Which one is the mistake? Can you find it?
There are many toys in my bedroom.
Okay. There are many toys. So the correct sentence is there are many toys in my bedroom. One. How about number 2? There isn't some space in my bedroom. Can you find a mistake? Can you find the mistakes? Number 2. Okay, some. So what it's supposed to be? Some is incorrect. So what is the correct answer? There isn't much or many. Space is countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
So what is the answer? Many or much?
M. Atas dinyalakan M.
There isn't. If uncountable, we use much or many.
Much.
Much. There isn't much space in my bedroom. It's true. Number 3, can you find it by yourself? My mom hasn't got many patients. Patience is countable or uncountable? Patience. Do you know what is the meaning of patience? Patience is, what is the meaning of patience? Patience Oh, sorry. Patience. Do you know what is patience? Who know? No? So patience is, okay, I'll write it. Can you see it? What is patience? Can you read the screen? So patience is countable or uncountable? Uncountable. So what we use? So the mistake is many here. If uncountable, what we use? Much or many? My mom hasn't got much patience because patience is uncountable. You understand what here? Okay. Harissa, do you have any question?
Yes, I have a question.
Yeah. What is that?
Something's wrong. My mom put O.
Yeah, it can be. It has the same
Mommy,
meaning.
mommy.
Mom,
Huh?
mom is same. Same meaning. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Can we continue now?
Yes.
Let's take a look to number 4. How more fruit do you eat? Well, can you find the mistake here? How
Many fruits do you eat?
fruit is countable or uncountable? Uncountable. Well, fruit is uncountable, but if the fruit is like apple or banana or grape or anything, we can count it. So it can be countable. Well, if just fruit, so it's supposed to be uncountable. But if it is specific, like apple, banana, grape, or anything, so we can count it. So it is countable.
What is the meaning of ETC? ETC.
Okay, I'll write it.
ETC. What is the meaning of ETC?
You see it? Can you read it? Well, how to spell it, etc. Etc. And this is the meaning of etc. Do you understand?
Yes.
Yeah. So today you got new word. So what do we use? How if fruit is uncountable? So what we use? Much or many? Oh, countable. So we use much or many? Do you know it? Zahra? Or Daufa? Much? Okay. How much fruits do you eat? Thank you, Nadia. And let's take a look to the last number 5. How much English books do you have? Okay. This is wrong. And English books is countable or uncountable? Books is countable or uncountable? Okay, many. Thank you, Vincent. So the correct answer is how much English, oh, sorry. How many English books do you have? Well, what is that? So big? Okay. Do you have any question about this part? About exercise 5?
No.
No?
Wait, Miss.
Okay. You want to write it or no?
No.
No? Well,
No.
why we use many? And the number 1, there are many toys in my bedroom. Why we use many? Who knows the reason? Well, who knows the reason why we use many in this sentence? There are many toys in my bedroom. Because, no, because toys is countable. We can count toys, so we use many, right? Toys is countable. You get it? Any question? No?
No.
Okay. Well, I'll clear it. And I have one more exercise. Do you have a book or paper near you? You have a book or paper? Okay. Do you have a book or paper? No? Can you show your book or your paper to your cam? Okay, Carissa, done. Thank you.
No,
Nadia,
I don't. I don't.
we will draw a picture. Okay.
Milk is countable or uncountable, Miss?
What?
Milk is uncountable or countable?
Sorry, but your voice is cracked. Can you send mute?
Milk is uncountable or countable?
Milk is uncountable. Milk, because we cannot count it. Okay, now please look at the screen. This is for our daily practice at your home. Read the sentence and draw a picture. Okay, like for the first, there isn't much chocolate. What is the meaning of there isn't much chocolate?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Thank you, Carissa.
You're welcome.
This is for daily practice at your home. You can make it now.
I'm sorry, there are so many papers. Wait, yeah, miss.
Okay, take your time. So you can make it now or after this class. This is for our daily practice. This is our daily practice. This is the question is read the sentences and draw a picture. For example, there isn't much chocolate. So you can draw anything here that shows the sentence. There isn't much chocolate. Or I don't have many sweets. You can draw it here. And also, I don't have much money. Draw it, and then there aren't any eggs. You can draw it. Just make a simple drawing. Make a simple draw based on the sentence.
Dapat.
Okay, do you get it? Do you understand about the point? Yes? So can you make it? After this class?
Hello, Nadia. What is Nadia doing? Maybe she's sleeping.
Yes. So please make it after this class. Okay? This is for our daily practice. Who wants to take a peek of it? To remember the tasks? Dava? Do you have any question? So the task is, the daily practice is, please draw a picture based on the sentence. This is the sentence. One. I don't have many sweets. I don't have much. Okay. Question about it? No? Well, I'll stop it.
What's that sound, miss? It's crying sound. What's that sound?
Well,
I hear it.
I hear it.
What is that sound? I see the baby sound.
Yeah?
Screen-nya kok hilang?
Have you write it or have you write it? Or
Belum.
can you see it? This is the daily practice at your home. Our daily practice. Do you get a point? This is the daily practice. You can make it after we end this class today. Please make or draw a picture based on the sentence. Any question about it?
Udah, Miss.
Okay. I stop the share. So do you have question about to use much, many, and a lot of? No. So I'll ask you, when we use many for countable or uncountable? Many.
Countable.
Countable. How about much? When we use much,
Ada cara.
un uncountable. Okay, please remember it. Many is for countable and much is for uncountable. Okay. Do you still remember about our motto? Like we used to every day?
Puskesmasnya ya yang kayak itu ya.
Do you still remember our motto? Well, I'll write it here. Can you see the whiteboard?
Yes.
Okay. Now can we do it once for today? Please turn on,
Yes. Yes.
turn on your audio. Hello, Vincent. Aida. Well, how do you do? 1, 2, 3. I scale up.
I scale up my English with Guru Bahasa. Leave the lodge.
I scale up. Repeat
I
after.
scale,
I scale up.
I scale up my English with Guru Bahasa. Live the language.
Okay. Live the language. Okay, please remember about it. Well, before we end our class for today, let's pray together. Pray again.
Mrs. Winston's only eyes.
Finish.
Miss, the
Vincent?
Winston is half only eye.
Yeah, I see. Well, if there is no question for today,
Yes, I have question, Miss.
yeah,
Why after learning we have to pray?
yeah, because we have to pray before and after learning, so we can understand the topic.
In Muslims only after learning praying.
No, it's not just Muslim, but all of the religion is praying before and
Oh.
after the class. Okay? Any question?
Yes. Why Winston's picture is blur?
I think something covered his cam.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's go by with me, with my teacher, and with my friends.
Well, if there is no more question, I'll thank you to joining our class for today. Before we close this room, let's take a pic together. Like this. 1, 2. Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Miss.
See you
Bye,
tomorrow.
Miss. Bye, Sarah. Yes. Bye,
Bye.
Bye, Janu. Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, Atia Fadin. Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye, Miss.
Bye.
Bye. Have a good day.
Yes.